how to apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, make sure you have all the required information ready. This includes your social security number, business location, business type, estimated monthly sales, and the ownership structure. Having this info handy will make the process faster. Next, go to the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts website at comptroller.texas.gov. This is where you'll be applying online for the sales tax permit. Once you're on the site, look for the Assistance portal. This is the section where all online tax services are provided, including registering for your sales tax permit. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a web file account. This is crucial because you'll be using it for both your application and future tax filings. Now, select the option to apply for a sales tax permit. Here, you'll enter details like your business name, mailing address, and contact information. Be thorough to avoid delays. After filling out all the fields, double check everything for accuracy. Then go ahead and submit your application. Finally, don't forget to post your sales tax permit at your business location as Texas law requires. That's all for the video.